Today our topic of discussion is how will you study a typical stair structural design, or how can you design a stair per house. Okay, so this is our today's topic, and going for the discussion, I would like you people to subscribe our channel and share your comments regarding this structure design. Okay, so basically we have to discuss two things in any stair. The first one is its foundation, and the second one is the slab of the stair. Okay, so this is a stair that we have designed for a house, and here the typical detail of stair is given. Why have we written the typical detail? The reason is because typically these heights and this length might change according to our construction site. Okay, so this can change. That is why we have given a typical detail of stair. Okay, so how will you discuss it when you are or how will you detail it on site? This is one of the tricky thing that that is found at any construction site. Okay, so the first thing, that is the foundation. Okay, the foundation, before the foundation we have used PCC of 3.5 feet, and we are using 3.5 feet foundation because the foundation size is 3 feet. Now what happens at our construction sites, basically we miss this foundation during our foundation construction process for any stair, and that is where we cause the problem. Okay, so here you can see that we have made this PCC. First you can see 3 inches thick PCC. TH means thick and PCC means the plain cement concrete. Okay, this does not include any type of steel. Okay, so this is the 3 inches thick PCC, and now our foundation size from here to here, it is 3 feet. Here it is written. Okay, so a 3 feet foundation having thickness of 9 inches. Okay, this is 9 inches. So 9 inches thick foundation is used. Now here in this foundation, two types of steel are used. One is this, you can see this dotted line, and another one is this shape. Okay, this. Okay, so this dotted line and this is at the same spacing. Like you can see, this is number 4 at the rate of 6 inches. So what does it mean? I will show it to you on any drawing. So basically its plan will be somewhat like this. If this is a 3 feet in this direction and 3 feet in this direction, this is the foundation. Now in this direction, the steel, in this direction, the steel is number 4. Okay, at the rate of 6 inches center to center, and in this direction the same steel bar is used, number 4 at the rate of 6 inches center to center. So this number 4, you can see that arrow has touched this dotted line, also this longer line. So this means that in both the direction, as I have shown it to you in this plan, that in both the direction the number of bar is number 4 and it is at the 6 inches center to center. So if I want to calculate its quantity, it will be somewhat like, if it is 3 feet in this direction and 3 feet in this direction, the number of bars in this direction will be 3 feet divided by 6 inches, that is 0.5 feet. So it will be 6. Okay, so number of bars in this direction will be 6, and also in the another one direction it will be 6. So 12 bars total, total number of bars in this foundation are 12. Okay, so this is the foundation detail, and I have shown it to you on the plan as well. Now you can see that these vertical bars are standing in the center. How it will be shown in its plan? So in its plan it will be shown somewhat like this. Okay, exactly in the middle, you can see it, this is exactly in the middle. Okay, so this is basically the section, and this is the plan. So in the plan it will be somewhat like this. Okay, exactly in the middle, vertically standing. So these are the vertical dowel bars, and you can see that it is number 6 at the rate of 6 inches center to center. So the thickness of this wall is 9 inches and its vertical bars are number 6 at the rate of 6 inches center to center. So this is one of the important point that why we are using number 6 bars here, because this is a vertical bar and this has to take the load of this whole slab or this whole stair. That is why we are giving it a strong wall. Okay, and this is this number 4 at the rate of 6 inches center to center is basically these dotted line. Okay, these dotted line. Okay, so this means that we are using number 6 at the rate of 6 inches bars in the vertical direction, and number 4 at the rate of 6 inches bar is a secondary bar or is a distribution bar. Okay, so this and as per site 3 feet we have written it FFL means finished floor level. So we have written it 3 feet, but it can change as per our site. This can be 4 feet or this can be 2.5 feet. This can be more or less than 3 feet. So we have written it as per site, and here is a slash like this and 3 feet. So we have decided that it will be 3 feet, but at our construction site it can be more or less than 3 feet. Okay, so this is the height of this wall, and now from this height of this wall here, this is basically the junction point, and it is one of the most tricky point. So what happens, basically we have to use bars from this direction. Okay, I will show it to you in this drawing. This is basically the slab of this stair. So one bar is coming in the bottom of the slab, another bar is coming from the top of this slab. So what happens, this is the wall basically. Okay, this is the wall. So in this wall you can see that the bar that is coming from this direction is actually bending at this point, and this is actually crossing. Okay, so you can see that the bar that was coming from the top is now here, and the top bar that was coming from the bottom is actually here. So basically at this point, stress reversal, we call it the stress reversal phenomena. Okay, so stress reversal is actually the change of moment. Okay, so here this bar has to take positive moment, and in here it will have to take negative moment. Okay, and this bar has to take negative moment here, and this bar has to take positive moment here. So that is why we provide it in this direction. So these bars are provided number 4 at the rate of 6 inches at the top, and here number 4 at the rate of 6 inches in the bottom. So in both the direction we are providing number 4 at the rate of 6 inches center to center bars. Okay, so main bars in both bottom and top both are number 4 at the rate of 6 inches, but you can see that this bar which is started from here is ending here, and this bar which has started from the top is actually ending here. So basically this is the negative bar. Okay, the negative bar that starts from the joint and it ends at this point, and you can see this bottom bar is throughout. Okay, so this means that the positive bar, like if I show you the slab, the positive bar will be throughout the slab. Okay, and the negative bar will start from here and will end at L by 3. Okay, L by 3 from the joint. So this is the typical detail of this stair.